Okay, so this 4647. Oh, the EW10 with automatic transmission. Thank you. So yeah, nice. So so we've done the oil pan installation. Not the oil pan, the metal protector. You can see the neat job, and now it protects the oil pan, this engine sub. So if anything hits it, it will not touch it. So that's a good one. So all right, okay, all right, okay. So um now because we have to drive the car to where they will do the this mountain of the oil pan, and like about 1 kilometer from here and back, and no oil spill from the steering rack. So I wonder where those oil came from before. Probably from engine. I think the owner said at the time the gearbox leaked oil and eventually changed it. So has to be one of them. So let's see. So oil is no longer coming out from here. So the oil leak from the cylinder head cover for the exhaust camshaft fix. The oil leak from the oil level sensor, you can see, fixed. No more leakage there. The oil leak from the oil pressure sensor, you see, no leakage there. Okay, so but what I will now do later, I'll change the connector. Change the connector. I've gotten the connector I use. So okay. So so what we'll now do is for this steering that is heavy, I think we'll focus on the steering pump. Unfortunately, not that easily available. My contacts have called, they don't have them. Except they said their colleagues have. But then I don't know those people. So it's always a risk to buy something that you might not be able to recover your money in case the part, since it's going to be used part, if it doesn't work as good as you want it, sometimes your money will be gone. Trust me. You might think that you are a troublesome person, you get your money back, but then sometimes you meet another troublesome person that may be more troublesome than you. So that's why I prefer buying from people I already built that relationship with, so that if something doesn't work out well, it will be easily resolved amicably. No shouting on each other. Your money is refunded peacefully. So it's a risk, but it has to be changed. It has to be changed because right now we just have to rule it out. We don't know for a fact, but since the steering rack is not leaking, it doesn't mean it won't be the cause of the oil, the steering that is heavy. It could be, but so far, if it's not leaking, we're supposed to focus on this. So it could be from this. Then the ABS. So I've collected the ABS sensor. Got the ABS sensor, new one for that bike. Left side that is showing fault. So we'll look at it to know why could it be the bearing which was newly installed or the sensor, whichever one. We have to remove that hub to look at the bearing. We'll see. What else? Yeah. We'll see. Basically, most of the work has been done. Um, then the rear lights, there are some bulbs that are not working. Fix those ones. And this vacuum line, will replace it. Okay, so I think this car doesn't, most of the worker, the only thing that might delay us is this steering thing, you know. I need to get a new key and program it for this vehicle. And I've even bought engine oil for the car. I've collected oil filter too. So this oil I've used, you see, total for 7,000. 10,040. This 712,300. Okay, so that's basically the update on the 07 EW10A, EW10J4 with Air4 transmission. Alright.